Stop. I'm trying to do a good intro. Good shit. Oh, it's like 2 days after 2K. Look who's back.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna need some redo this carbon with some Zeus fasteners or something. Who puts 900 bolts in the carbon?
Every carbon installer out there.
Alright, well tell them they're an idiot. Because when it has to come off, all Dave is stuck here.
Hey Dave, how's it going, buddy?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Dave, what are you doing?
My statement still stands.
That Joe had those bolts the right direction, you flipped them?
That was an old picture.
That was not an old picture.
I don't believe it.
Anyway, so here Dave is.
I shouldn't have to use a breaker bar.
Changing these bolts. I had the right direction for shock sensors, and then he took it all apart when he painted the rear end.
No, that's not
And he
what
put
happened.
the bolt in the backwards. So
Oh my God!
you're probably going the wrong way. You're trying to break that. So anyways, this is a continuation of the, I guess, 2K video. I think I started a video right when you got back from 2K.
Really?
Yeah, that was a week ago.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. No, a week and a half. Anyways, so here we are. We're doing the upgrades on the car. He drained the rear end, pulled the drive shaft. We're putting the drive shaft sensor on. Here's the wheel. Shock sensors are going on. And then we got a G meter, dash mounts. I have the harness out. This is the main harness. I needed to add a Deutsch connector. These were hardwired. I've been meaning to do that. So I got that out. I'm running. This is for the oil temp.
Oh, you hardwired my shit?
No, I said I fixed that. So this is for the oil pressure. Yeah, sorry, quick cut there. But anyways, one of these Deutsch connectors I was going to show you. Yeah, this Deutsch
connector. They're cheap, and then I brought you Deutsch connectors. You don't even use them. Like, what's the point?
Dave just doesn't ever
I'm just getting
shut
ripped off over
up.
here all the time. Unreal.
Here, hold on, real quick.
Ow! Hey, get away from me. What's wrong with you?
Okay, anyways, this Deutsch connector has oil pressure and oil temp in it. So we had done the oil pressure, obviously, because it was on the display.
Sorry, Will.
Baby, you need to get sleep on my mommy.
Alright, I got you.
We're discussing ice cream right now with the kiddo
Careful,
and
pull
figuring
on
out
that
how many. Yeah, that'll deploy the parachute. Don't pull on that. Okay, so I was talking about that Deutsch connector where we cut next day. So this harness is finished up. I got it, re-loomed and taped up at the junctions and whatnot, and it's ready to go in. I had to clean up some of the end ones. We had spilled a bunch of stuff when we were doing it. It was really nasty stuff. So I cleaned it up and I replaced some of the ends and just got it good again. And, zip tied up for appropriate lengths and whatnot. But, so that's done. Working on the GPS sensor now, or not GPS, G meter. So you got a Holley G meter we're putting in here so we can track that data as well. They come already pinned, so I'm gonna put this in. I think what it needs 12 volt and a ground, and then 2 inputs. So I was looking over here. We don't have a J2B. So maybe we'll use J1B for the 12 volt, and then we'll get the inputs. We can put it on the J2A maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna see where it goes. I never like crossing the connectors. That's one thing I complain about Holley, which is really a minor complaint, but I've had this problem several times now. If you need 12 volt and inputs on the same thing, they're never on the same connector, and I hate joining connectors. Because if I pin it to put it on J2A, I have to get 12 volt at J2B. Well, I don't like joining those two connectors, and I don't even think we have a J2B in there. Let's take a peek. This is really rambling. Yeah, we don't even have a J2B. We got a J2A, and then we got a J23. So we don't even have a connector on J2B. So now, let's look over at J3. I lost my J3 page. So J3 has inputs, but it does not have a 12 volt. It's only got 5 volts. But this one has inputs and outputs. I was debating using one of these outputs that has hot. I wonder if that 12 volts would power the G meter. I think those will do 12 or 2 amps. You think this thing takes more than 2 amps? Surely not. Maybe we'll try that. I'll let you know how that works.
Now I can't tell my story.
No, you can't tell. We were just talking about
bicycles. The Tour de France is coming up.
All right, Dave, what are we doing here?
I have to
let's
work
update.
on my
So,
car
since,
because you ain't doing S-word because I can't cuss on your channel.
You've been traveling across the country, messing around.
I had to get a lawnmower.
Yeah, why'd you go?
This is on my channel though.
Nice
Yeah, so that was your channel. You talked about lawnmower.
Yeah, they don't.
Anyways, so I think
my carpet's so dirty.
Yeah, because you don't know how to take care of anything. So here we are. Harness is back in the car. So hey, Dave!
I'm sorry, were you talking?
Yeah, I was.
Continue.
So.
Wait.
Let's go.
Oh, you did put the harness back in?
So yeah, so the main harness is in the car. So yeah, last time I did a video, it was over there. We were finishing up on that. So it's in the car. I got the GPS sensor, not GPS, G meter is wired up. The shock sensor wires are going. This is a shock sensor wire coming over here. It's gonna meet up with the other loom. Anyways, so a lot of the wiring is, kind of stubbed out and it won't take much. I have one other piece I need to get into the harness and then I'll be wrapping up the wiring. Dave's pulling the seats because we're replacing the carpet. He's gonna have me do the carpet. But yeah, so our list is getting pretty short. The whole diff and rear end is out. I was fixing a leak. So I figured out what the leak was. We're gonna fix that. Dave's gonna help me do that. The wing, I guess I gotta be careful with the camera here. Oh yeah, we need to.
There's so much room.
I need to talk about that. Don't let me forget to talk about some videos here in a sec. I have like 18 videos I need to make. They'll probably come out before this one. But anyways, so the wing is the main part of the wing is on. This stuff. So we got that mounted the other night. Brady came over and helped me.
Brady had to do it because Joe doesn't work on my car anymore.
If you keep saying that, I'm just gonna tell you to take the car and leave, and you can work on it.
Well, yeah, I'll work on it here.
Since I don't work on it.
I'll work on it here with
just
you.
take it. So anyways, I need to do a video update on what's going on with the car situation at the house here. We have an empty spot, but it's really not empty.
It's really not empty.
It's really not empty. Something that was here, the lawnmower, is pushed out into the driveway. I'm sure you can, I wonder if you can see it in the reflection of this. I need to be careful here. Anyways, so that's kind of our update. We're just going to keep rock and rolling. I don't know what's left of this video or how much I have.
Weird, I don't have a PST drive shaft, Joe.
That's for a Turbo 400. I said I wasn't doing any more of these, and then here I am. I don't even think Dave asked me to do this. Like, he just showed up and said, "Hey, Joe, I need you to put in my dash." I hate doing dashes, so this is like the third or fourth one I've done. They're just no fun. So it's done though. It's solid. Like, it's not going anywhere. And so you can see I got a Zeus out here. So I just built this little cage thing that's got a Zeus fastener in it right there, and it welds to the body. Same with right here. There's a little cage behind there and a Zeus fastener right there, and then there's one on the other side. So I had to cut a hole for the steering column. It's like very center. It actually looks really good. So you can actually get the dash on and off with the steering column in place, which is a big win. I don't know what we're doing with the Holley mount. I imagine we're just going to bolt it ahead of it. I don't think he's going to be pulling this dash that often. And the shifter clears. He was worried about the shifter. So it clears. I actually put a little bit of pressure on this and sucked it back a little so it would clear good. So there you go. There's a dash. I hate doing them. Never again. They're just such a pain to trim them all, to get them to fit. And then, yeah, I mean, this one fits pretty good with the factory stuff. The gel coat may not be the best on that, but in the end, it fits. It looks 100 times better. Need to carpet it. I don't know if I'm starting that next or what the deal is. So, what else did I do? Oh, the rear end's all back together. Let me show you kind of what I did down here. Oh, I don't know if there's going to be enough light. That's not bad. I had to custom make these brackets. The old ones wouldn't reach. We had to put a spacer up there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Probably not, but anyways, where the anti-roll bar is on this car, it's right next to the spring. So we didn't have room, so I needed to space these out and put those on. So anyways, both shock sensors are on and everything's done back here. So really, oh, did I show the seal plates? I think I did. The spill plates on these, they're on, bolted. We just gotta do the supports. So really, what's left, Joe? What's left? Carpet, and we gotta do the hood mount up here. Those are the two big things left. I'm about to start cutting this, start modifying this. I need to trim the bumper some more. But yeah, we're getting close. Empty spot. All that's gonna make sense soon. And yes, let me get back to work. Whew.
Oh man, it's not cool. Just another day.
Dave is talking about how he has to babysit me, but for all the complicated stuff, he was nowhere to be found.
What's so complicated?
He's screwing in 4 screws. He can't even do it right. I had to save him.
I gotta wire a sensor. It's plug and play. How's your day going, Joe?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah. Dude, look at that streetcar. Holy crap.
It doesn't look good. We got the
all steel, all glass, stock dash, stock carpet. Unreal.
Dave was just talking about a podcast. We've been talking for over a year now about starting a podcast.
Yeah.
But Dave won't order the equipment.
I'm broke. But, you know.
You quit buying stupid shit for your race car.
Well, you should quit buying lawnmowers. You need that money too.
One guy was like guessing lawnmowers. Like
the John Deere V30.
I'm like, bro, I think you took the lawnmower joke a little far.
Who needs a 28-foot enclosed to get a lawnmower?
A badass lawnmower. Tri-cut, golf cart.
Club Cadet.
Yeah, Club Cadet.
Zero turn.
Gotta be careful. I got a car next to me that I cannot show yet. I think this video is going to be going live like tomorrow, the next day.
I'm good, because I'm about to go do some streetcar shit.
Dude, we should
Check
do
out
some
my
more
YouTube
street
channel.
pulls.
Yeah, I'm doing street pulls.
Dude, my video from 2K when we did the street pulls got a lot of views.
That one was funny.
No, that one was fun.
That was stupid, but funny.
So yeah, we're putting the Holley dash in, we're finishing up, we're putting it on the steering column, the dash is in, we're gonna put the seat in, he put the drive shaft in, pretty much I gotta plug in the wiring harness up front, and we are wrapping up. This is going to be the end. I'll probably shoot a little closure video tomorrow when the car's out, we're swapping cars. So I'll do a little closure video on this one, wrap it up, and on to the next one.
Just kicking me out again.
I'm not actually kicking you out. I was about to say, I didn't kick you out. You choose whose car is in your spot.
That is true.
And for right now, it's going to be someone else's.
Well, but some idiot is in my spot right now. Can't say who, but someone's in my spot. And it's not Nick.
Idiot. Here, I'll show you the color of the new car very carefully. Hold on. There you go. All right, anyways.
Someone's picking that up for sure.
Oh yeah, someone's gonna be like, oh, that's such and such car, such and such built it, blah, 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 blah. And video here, shoot me.
Did anybody guess it?
No, I told you one person DM'd me and they know exactly what car it was.
YouTube.
Oh, well, you gotta think that quite a few people that follow me on YouTube follow me on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
So.
All right, Mr. Penis.
So if you don't follow me on Instagram and you're watching this on YouTube,
shameless plug.
No, I'm not even shameless plug. Would you shut
You're
up?
shameless plug me, man. I'm
Shut
shameless.
up.
Shameless plug.
So be sure to look him up, Van V39.
They'll never find me.
I bet you if I YouTube Van V39, so pull up all your videos. But anyways, so no, I posted a teaser picture of the car on my Instagram is where I was going with that.
Oh, that's where you're going. I was wondering where you're going with that.
Van V39. Oh, I'm looking it up. And it pulls up. Oh, it doesn't pull you up anymore. Was it Van V39?
Yeah. Why would it pull me up? That's not my name.
Wow, you don't have it in any of your tags or nothing?
I guess not.
I thought it would have pulled my videos up because I have Van V39 tagged in my videos. So let's do Van V39
on YouTube.
Dave.
Ow!
So if we do David Van V39, it pulls you up.
Oh yeah, that's cheating.
Is that cheating?
Are we gonna start this podcast? You just gonna ignore me?
Oh yeah, no, sorry, we got sidetracked here. Podcast. We're gonna do a podcast. So if you think me and Dave should do a podcast, wow, this is 4 minutes long. What have we discussed in this? Anyways,
Annoying me. Where's the bolts for this? Hey, glass. You hear that? Idiots.
hold on, I'm tapping on it. Sounds hollow to me.
Idiot.
All right, in typical fashion, I forgot to record Dave's car leaving. I will put a picture right here. The car, and maybe a couple pictures. The car turned out amazing. Wing looks awesome. Got all the sensors working. We're working through, you know, 1 or 2 little issues on that. I'm waiting on a ring for the drive shaft. It's just like 1 or 2 things left we got to button up, and that car is ready to go racing. I think we're looking at hopefully going testing maybe next week. So, back in the garage is Nick's car, the twin turbos that I mounted. I'm about to finish up the fab work on this, so stay tuned. There'll be another video coming in this series. We're hoping to get this one knocked out pretty good. Next to me, this direction, is something I'm just about to make a video on. So, hang tight on that. Thanks for following along. Just a quick little video on Dave's car. Probably wasn't quick. Probably 20 minutes long like they always are, but video on Dave's car, just, you know, the rounds of changes after 2K, and we're ready to go racing. We're going to turn up the boost and get after the suspension and really get that car moving now. So yeah, stay tuned for all that stuff. Be sure you are subscribed, like the video, and we will see you guys on the next one.